Good afternoon, brothers and sisters. Good morning, brothers and sisters. My name is Pastor Jean David Desroses. I am the owner, director of organization Handicaps Haiti. We are establishing a free education program to take off some orphans in the street. So far, the organization Handicaps Haiti has recruited more than 500 children who are on the street, of which that the majority of the parents are living with disability. But the program that we have is for the vulnerable children, the children on the street, the orphans, and the children that we call restavek in Haiti. And then now we see all the vulnerability going through, and where the children doesn't have enough opportunity to go to school. This is what can cause gangsterization. You see, Haiti will be in a big trouble actually, where people are fighting. The gangsters are multiplied day after day. Therefore, as a blind man, as a blind pastor, I have established this free program to support the children in Haiti. And then now, I encourage you, brothers and sisters, to come and to collaborate with me as a young man to let the progress of this free education program in a partnership plan, and then where we can collaborate with me, $300 for the year. This money going to help to pay the teachers and pay the cookers, give food, uniform, sneakers, medication, accommodation for the children. And then this will be a multiply blessings once you collaborate with the others, with the orphans, because the Lord says the more you give, the more you receive. Walk by faith, not by sight. So I'm waiting for you, brothers and sisters, to whomever it may concern and would like to help and to collaborate with me as a blind man to establish this free education program in progress. Thank you so much. This is Pastor Jane David Roses, and my phone number is 1-305-438-6797. 1-305-438-6797. May the Lord bless you. Open doors for the orphans in Haiti. God bless you. Goodbye.